And today's video, we are making slime. I'm making just
Plain clear glue.
clear glue with glitter. Just the whole bottle. There's really nothing in there.
That's a lot. I'm going to use this whole thing because it bothers me. So I'm going to use this whole thing.
And for me, I'm trying this baking soda and glitter and solution. And
I might not put
we got these square bottles at Walmart, I think, and you can find them when you find those little claw things or whatever.
do it the other way so you guys.
We got two. I still have one whole bottle of solution, so
I don't. But yeah. So let's get started.
And this wasn't a whole solution. This was less than a little solution because this was the one that I used for.
Mine won't come out.
So let's get started.
Time upside down of me trying to take this out. Okay, guys, at this point, I guess we're not going to use this because it's not going to be out at all, nothing. So, I'll throw some away.
I always forget we need to do this in the kitchen.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do the regular glue. I know I just did, a little bit. But
Okay, so I just used it all, and you guys are not going to see it probably. Maybe not.
Probably not.
You might see it a little bit.
Just a little bit.
That's how it looks. And so let me add my baking soda. If you guys want to make clear some, do not add shaving cream because that'll make it white.
Hey, Tiffany, throw this out. We have no sides right away. Throw this away. And throw the top away too.
So I need a spoon.
Go get one. I'll put on the video. Go. I'll talk to them. We're gonna make more. Whoa, that's so much glue.
Where did my spoon go? We always have a spoon here.
That's a big slide. No, add more to it. That's a lot of slime. Who cares? Okay. So I'm gonna add shaving cream to it. Sorry for the background. So fluffy. Okay, that's enough. I have a lot of shaving cream. Okay. I'm going louder, you guys. This is my phone, so she won't notice if she watches this video. Sorry, Tiffany, if you watch this video. This is so fluffy. Oh, she's here. You took for hours.
Comment down below if you guys free the water. It tastes good.
Can you go get mine? I always close the door.
I'm not gonna go downstairs again, though.
I'm going to do more glue. I added so much shaving cream to it. This is a lot of slime. I mean, glue, slime, shaving. Yeah. Where's the top for this? Okay. I
had a lot of shaving cream.
I had a lot of everything.
So I just added the baking soda, and it looks like a little bit white.
I told you because air bubbles got get in it. It's white. So now we're going to be made clear.
But you have to add baking soda. So now I'm going to add this glitter. I was going to say solution already. I'm gonna add some of this to it. You're gonna add glitter to yours, don't you want it to be it plain? No, I'm gonna make glitter, that would look boring. It won't come out, this glitter. Just come out. Oh, great. Okay. I'll use another one. Can you open the blue one for me? Yeah, wait. Can I have that one? Can you open the blue glitter? Your blue glitter? Glitter. You said glitter. I said glitter. Mine comes out really fast, so be careful. Okay. You added a lot of that. Wow, so beautiful. Can you open the silver? Oh my gosh. There. Okay. I would add the blue one. I want some of your silver glitter, please. Just a little bit sparkly, but so much of it. And it's just because only this much. Imagine that. Look how much I have in my bowl. That's a lot. How would I use? Oh my gosh. That's a lot of glitter. Okay. Yours looks so nice. I had so much glitter. No. No, it's okay. It doesn't look that. You added food dye here? Yeah. I'm going to make mine, of course, blue because this is a lot of slime and if it comes out good, I am so happy with myself. And I want it to be light blue, so hopefully this comes out. Have that start now. Okay guys, now. So this is how mine looks. It just kind of like a touch of white it looks like, but very pretty. Hers looks pretty. Mine looks like this. It's a lot of slime though, like a lot. I haven't even added the solution and I want more blue to mine. I want it to be dark and we don't have a lot of blue, so that's a bad thing. This is so much. Please say it's dark, please, please, please. It came a little bit darker. Look at this. Sorry for the kind of bad light. Is that really bad lighting? Because you added the glitter silver one, so it doesn't look as nice as it should look. Yeah, wear glitter to mine. Come on. Can't go wrong with this. This is how mine looks right now. It's never enough glitter. Never enough. Without glue coming off. What? How did that happen? Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Should I add more glitter or should I add a solution? You should add a solution. Okay. So I'm gonna open up my bottle and glitter glue fell on my desk a little bit. Glue and on the desk. So I'm gonna make this. Don't add a lot because that's a big hole for solution. That would be a little hole, but it's not. How about try that? You guys, my head's so tired. Okay. Okay. Mine is so much.
I guess the
and
most slime we ever made.
the most ever.
But it's because she had a lot of therapy.
No, because I added a lot of glue.
Really?
Yeah, I want it to be super big, so I added my whole thing.
Okay, guys, so this is how mine looks. Ooh, it looks
This
so
is not as good
cute.
slime. Let me see. Oh, it's getting all my dress. I'm going to take a shot after this. Let me see yours. I told you it's going to be white. I told
Look,
you.
it looks like a little bit, guys, and I used the whole thing. Like, bro, really?
Like, what the heck, bro?
So I'm gonna
Like,
poke it. Crunchy slime is not good for poking.
not really. Move
Because
that. I cannot get this off my hand.
it's Pokemon.
Okay, put it on the table. Put it on the table. Okay.
And you need solution, bruh.
Why?
It's sticky, bruh.
Okay, put a solution for me. Just a really little bit. Okay. So my sister added her solution. Now it's better. I'm gonna get the rest.
It looks so pretty.
This is more slime than it looks in the camera. Like, look at
Okay, guys, look at that clearness. I can see the camera. I can see my bed. I can see everything. And I'm so sorry there's not a room tour video coming out yet.
Yes. We'll do it. Don't worry, guys. We'll do it. Maybe we might do it today.
Yeah.
And tell them what day is it today.
Today
This is so much slime.
the 8th, I think. November 8th, I'm pretty sure.
I need a little bit more solution. Okay, that's enough solution for today. I need to wash my bowl, you guys. Like,
Time has been going pretty fast. Like 1, 2, those kind of stuff. Well, guys, it's not even like broken, and like it looks really clear. Does that look broken to you guys? This part's broken right there, but this. No. I'll give this 1 out of 10 and 9.
1 out of 10, maybe even 1 out of 20. I'll give it like, let's say, 19, 18.
A 1 out of 20, I'll give her 18 and a half.
Of mine? Yeah,
No,
maybe
mine.
no, mine.
18 and a half because the glitter might get on your hands and I don't like getting it on my hands. It's hard to get off. I have to get off of tables and stuff. So I'll give it an 18.
Our table is filled with glitter, you guys. Like, filled. Not super filled, but filled with glitter. I'm cleaning up my bowl with my slime. So this is my big one. Okay, let's do a picture.
I'll give you guys. Wait.
Let's see you do.
Wait. Okay, ready? 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3.
Wait, okay.
Oh shoot, my thigh didn't stretch out.
Okay, ready?
Wait, let it stretch a little bit because mine didn't go.
Okay, ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you want to do another one?
Wait. I'm gonna do a poop emoji with this big slime.
You know how big the poop emoji would look?
It's like the biggest poop emoji ever.
No, people make more slime than that.
I know. They could use this whole thing. Maybe even use like 5 of those. So.
We don't like to use the whole thing because like it becomes very bad.
And then I cry because I want more glue and yeah. Cause I am accept.
Would you rather have a lot of good slimes or one big good slime?
a lot of good slimes?
I'll have like a lot of good slimes, but the bad part about guys, comment down below if you guys have big slime, and then like after a day later you leave it in a container. 2 days later,
And it's bad. And it's
and
super
it's
bad.
bad. Like bruh,
Like what happened? I don't want this one to become bad. It's like the best.
and then because bad, then she's gonna cry. I'm kidding. Are you gonna cry?
Oh what?
Is that because bad? Okay, now you're gonna feel bad, and I'm gonna feel yours. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yours is like kind of sticky.
Oh my god, this is a lot of slime.
I like yours.
Oh my goodness, dude.
I wanna
Okay, I'm
poke
gonna
yours.
it.
Yours is so good for poking. I love it's so soft.
Whoa, this is very good slime.
We're so happy about the blue one.
Yeah.
And this one is super soft.
It's very big, very
This
fluffy.
one and this one is like super soft.
Wait,
I
guys,
like
I'm
this
gonna
one.
show my grandparents this thing now.
Wait, we're gonna show
Hey
you.
guys, welcome back to
No.
sorry.
So,
Today we just took a shower. We forgot to do the outro.
because we showed our grandma and grandpa, we forgot. We were showing to the slime. So, and if this part is the wrong way, sorry.
Yes.
And yeah, so make sure to subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up. And yeah.
No, turn on the notifications so you can get notified when we post new videos.
Yes, and bye.